Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Chan. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everybody.
We're so happy you're here with us today. How are you doing, Leo?
I'm doing great, Anna. I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. Today, we're going to talk about hobbies. This episode is perfect for beginner learners who want to talk about their interests and free time activities.
That's right. We'll teach you how to use words like, love, and enjoy with activities. It's super useful for everyday conversations.
Exactly. And we have about 20 key phrases for you today. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment telling us about your hobbies.
Yes, we love hearing from you. Okay, Anna, let's get started.
So, Leo, what do you like doing in your free time?
Well, I like reading. I enjoy reading mystery books, especially on weekends. How about you, Anna?
Oh, I love cooking. I love cooking Italian food. Notice what we just did there, everyone. We used like and love with an ing word.
That's right. In English, when we talk about hobbies, we say, I like reading, not I like read. We add ing to the verb.
Exactly. Let me give you more examples. I like swimming. I love dancing. I enjoy painting.
Good examples. And we can also say, I like to swim or I like to dance. Both are correct, but using the ing form sounds more natural when talking about hobbies.
That's a great point, Leo. So, listeners, here are your first key phrases.
I like playing. I love watching. I enjoy doing.
Let's practice together. Leo, what else do you like doing?
I like playing guitar. I started learning 2 years ago, and now I enjoy playing every evening after work.
Wonderful! I can hear you used enjoy playing there too.
Yes, it's the same pattern. Now, Anna, tell us more about your hobbies.
Sure. I love watching movies, especially romantic comedies, and I also enjoy taking photos when I travel.
Taking photos. That's a great hobby. So everyone, notice we say taking photos, not making photos in English.
Now, let's talk about how often we do our hobbies. Leo, how often do you play guitar?
I play guitar every day. It's my daily routine. I usually play for about 30 minutes.
Every day? You're really dedicated. I cook almost every day too, but I only take photos when I travel or on special occasions.
That makes sense. So, listeners, here are some useful time phrases for talking about hobbies.
Every day, every weekend, once a week, twice a month, in my free time, when I have time.
Exactly. For example, I go hiking every weekend, or I played tennis twice a week.
Good examples. Now, we can also talk about what we don't like. Leo, is there any hobby you don't enjoy?
I don't really like running. I prefer walking or cycling instead.
I see. So you can say, I don't like running or I'm not into running. Both are natural.
That's right. And we can use prefer too. I prefer cycling to running. That means I like cycling more than running.
Perfect explanation. Let me add more examples. I don't enjoy watching horror movies. I prefer comedies. Or you could say, I'm not really into sports. I prefer reading.
Great. So here's some more key phrases. I don't like something. I'm not into something. I prefer something to something.
Okay, now let's go deeper. It's nice to explain why you like your hobbies. Leo, Why do you like playing guitar?
I like playing guitar because it relaxes me. After a long day at work, playing music helps me feel calm and peaceful.
That's beautiful. So you used because to give a reason. That's very important.
Exactly. Let me give another example. I enjoy reading mystery books because they're exciting and I love solving puzzles.
Perfect. Now let me share. I love cooking because I can be creative. I enjoy trying new recipes and experimenting with different ingredients.
Wonderful. And Anna, you also love cooking because you can share food with friends and family, right?
Absolutely. That's another reason. Cooking brings people together.
So, listeners, when someone asks about your hobbies, try to add because and give a reason. It makes your conversation more interesting.
Here are some useful phrases for explaining reasons. It relaxes me. It's fun. It keeps me healthy. It's creative. I can meet new people. It helps me learn new things.
Those are all great. Let me practice. I like swimming because it keeps me healthy. Or I enjoy volunteering because I can help people.
Excellent examples, Leo. Now, let's teach our listeners how to ask about other people's hobbies.
Great idea. The most common question is simple. What are your hobbies? Or what do you like doing in your free time?
That's right. Both questions are very natural. You can also ask, what do you do for fun? That's more casual.
I like that one. Here are more questions you can ask. What are your hobbies? What do you like doing in your free time? What do you do for fun? Do you have any hobbies? What do you enjoy doing on weekends?
Perfect. And when someone asks you about your hobbies, you can answer like this. My hobbies are reading and cooking, or I like playing sports in my free time.
Exactly. Let's practice a conversation. I'll ask you, what do you do for fun?
I enjoy playing guitar and reading books. How about you?
I love cooking and taking photos. Do you like cooking?
Not really. I'm not very good at it, but I enjoy eating good food.
That's honest. See, everyone, that's a natural conversation about hobbies. Notice we asked follow-up questions too.
That's an important point. Always try to ask questions back. It keeps the conversation going.
Absolutely. One more thing. You can also say, I'm interested in or I'm passionate about for hobbies you really care about.
Good addition. For example, I'm passionate about photography, or I'm interested in learning languages. Wow, we covered so much today. Let's do a quick review of everything we learned.
Yes, so today we learned how to talk about hobbies using gerunds. That's the ing form of verbs.
Right. Here are all the key phrases we covered today. I like playing. I love watching. I enjoy doing. I like reading. I love cooking. I enjoy painting. Every day. Every weekend. Once a week. Twice a month. In my free time. When I have time.
I don't like, I'm not into, I prefer to, because it relaxes me, it's fun, it keeps me healthy, it's creative. What are your hobbies? What do you like doing in your free time? What do you do for fun? I'm interested in, I'm passionate about.
That's 24 useful phrases. Remember, the key is to practice using these in real conversations.
Exactly. Try talking about your hobbies using these phrases. Practice makes perfect.
And here's a study tip. Write down 3 of your hobbies and practice saying them out loud. For example, I like playing video games, I enjoy cooking, and I love traveling.
Great tip. You can also practice by watching English speakers talk about their hobbies on YouTube or in movies.
Well, that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening to English with Chan.
We really appreciate you being here. We hope this lesson helped you feel more confident talking about hobbies in English.
Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit that like button. It really helps us create more content for you.
And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment and tell us, what are your hobbies? Try using the phrases we learned today.
Yes, please. Reread all your comments, and we love learning about you.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying English.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.